Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the server within the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys game on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the play button from which you can start playing your games right away. Now, if you wish to change the server within which you are playing the game, just click on the escape button or the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, tap on the options menu and then you will see the region option. From the server region, just use the slider to choose your preferred server. Once you have chosen your desired server, just tap on the save button or press the space key on your device. And now you can go back to your game. And when you tap on play, this will match you up with the players from the region that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the server within the Fall Guys game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.